today I'm gonna hide this orangutan in 5 different rooms and my brother's gonna try to find it. Oh, we're at IKEA too. I'm changing my hiding spot. Okay, I'm done. Let's go call my brother in. I'm in a meeting.
Yay! Did you found it?
Number 2 time. Let's go. We're in room number 2, the baby house I call it. Anyways, where should I hide it? You think this is too obvious? Oh, hey, I know these Chinese words. Ni hao means hello. Xie xie means thanks. Jiajian means bye. Street friend means light. Now to find the hiding spot. Ooh, good idea. Anyways, it's time to get my brother in this room. I knew that was too obvious. Okay, guys, time to go to the third room. Guys, I found the third room. Where should I hide it? Ooh. Should I make a monkey sandwich? I found it. I'm gonna hide it in here. Okay, time to get my brother. Okay, my brother has discovered this. Onto the 4th room. Hey guys, this room is dark and mysterious. Okay, let's hide it. Let's go call my brother now. He has been discovered.
2,000 years later.
Okay, on to the 5th and last room. Hey guys, we found the last room. Okay, let's call my brother. Well, that's the end of the video, guys.